you ever dreamed sailing a yacht and see this world from different angles? Have you ever thought about the yacht industry? This seems to be something out of reach. It's actually one of the most important industries of Taiwan.
台湾的游艇厂的形态，它从一开始其实是一个代工厂的一个起家啦。那我们希望就是说，运用一些科技的力量，能够注入这个产业里面，就是做一个转型跟改变。
Taiwan yacht industry has the top 1 market share and value among all Asian countries, and even achieved top 4 of the world in 2020. In 2020, the output value even passed over 5.84 billion NTD.
美丽啊，美丽啊，美丽啊！好，鱼尾哦，鱼尾哦！
完成一艘游艇真的是一件非常复杂的工作，就跟盖一栋房子一样。
当你到船舱里面，你必须要忍受那种闷热，还有空气品质的不好，因为里面施工当中会有产生很多粉尘。
传统的一个技艺是很优秀的，接下来是新的一个科技的一个冲击，在这2个冲击之下，一定要有一个磨合去适应的地方。
透过数位转型的方式，用机器的自动化去生产，去取代人力，那减少这样子人力的成本的开销，也可以去进一步的去解决人才不足断层的这样子的问题。
As technology constantly improving, yacht industry is continuously innovating, integrating professional 3D modeling with adoption of datamation, digitization, and technology, managing every element with related supply chain, utilizing automated production, and incorporating wiser and faster process of design and manufacturing. We can improve the efficiency and quality and make the yachts even more sophisticated.
一开始的设计，一开始我们如果很清楚的知道客人他的需求是什么的话，我们在拆解图面的时候就可以用这个新的技术去帮忙做图面的拆解。
船不是钢做，它是玻璃纤维，那它在尺寸上其实是稍微会有一些变化的。在整个做逆扫的作业上面，其实是再三的去确认它的尺寸，让图面绘制上面，或者是让家具在制造上能够取得最精确的尺寸。
Taiwan, as the leading country of Asia in yacht building, our craft and sophistication of building yachts has been always pushing the limits, based on continued tradition of woodworking art, combining with digitized and technological manufacturing process. By adopting new technology, the manufacturing process is improved, and by utilizing digitized methods, we create more possibilities.
跨领域的结合，去带动到一些就是说不同产业的一个共同的提升，它可以在船外面把家具或者是甚至管道的部分做得更好，再整合进来船上。
最早的工作的环境就是说，所有的木工师傅都在这个船厂里面去做裁切啦，去做家具的组合。新技术的引进之后，其实对我工作环境是有比较好的影响的产生。由 CNC 的那个工具机去做切割的话，其实整个落成量都在这个户外的空间里。
Facing all kinds of needs and challenges, we enhance customer satisfaction by building higher quality yachts. With the improvement of autonomy of yacht design, building, and marketing, the brands of Taiwan Yacht will be ever strong, love the seas, and respect the oceans. Yachting is only a kind of lifestyle. It's not unreachable anymore. Riding a yacht and rising the sail, closing to the sea in a different way. From this spectacular angle, reading the world, and you will uncover the never discovered and experienced adventure. Taiwan yachts will sail the world.